Hey guys, today I am going to be making some edible slime with two kinds of ingredients. The first ingredient I'm going to be trying to make slime out of is, I'll try to grab all of them. There's one right here. I'm not going under here. Starburst. Wow, why did I do that? And there's Starburst all over the place. Great. The next ingredient I'm going to be making slime out of is some sour bright. Do people just say bright? Sour bright crawlers. Sour bright. Someone just rang the doorbell. I'll be right back. Okay. Still going on. But those were my friends, and not sure if you could not sure if you heard the doorbell, but I have to make this video as fast as possible because I'm going out soon, so, like outside, not. But I'm using these Trolli Sour Bright crawlers, and yeah, I'll film the rest of this video when I come back in, so it'll probably be other the lighting will be kind of changed, so because I'm gonna be filming this later tonight because I usually come in at nighttime. I play for a long time. Yeah, I'll see you later. Good. Anyways, hey, what's up guys? I'm back. I'm wearing a jacket now, and the lighting is, I don't know if the lighting changed, but I'm pretty sure it did change. Yeah, there we go. The lighting just changed, and the sun is actually going down right now, and yeah. It's windy outside, so that's why I'm wearing a jacket. And because I love this jacket and it's very pretty and I wanted to wear it for a video, so yeah, that's why I'm wearing this jacket. So yeah, back to making like the Starburst crawler slime, but I'm going to, what is this? I'm going to put this in the microwave and see you in the next clip. It's going down, and yeah, it melted really quickly. So yeah, there's I bet some people in the comments are gonna be like, well, just touch it. Well, it's like molting. It's like lava. It hurts when you touch it. It feels like a bee sting. Not even a bee sting, because I haven't been stung by a bee and I don't know what that feels like. But like if you touch fire, that's what it felt like. I didn't touch it today because I'm not stupid enough to do that again. I did it a while back, actually. I don't recommend you touching it when it is like melted, and like it basically when it's like when it looks like lava and it's like gonna burn you. So don't touch it when it's like that. Let it cool down first. We're back. So you see I have it on my thumb. It's slime now. Great slime. I had to remake it because it wasn't really cooling down, so wow. So sorry, my TV is over there, so I have to look every time. So I have to make it again. And here it is. My remake. This is like amazing slime actually, but it doesn't really stretch that far until it breaks. But if it's really hot and warm, it will stretch very far. Wow, look at that. And in fact, edible. You can have one too. Okay. You rejected it. I see how it is. So now, we are going to try the Sour Bright colors. I'll see you in the next clip. Look at the Starburst tower I made. Hello, owl. Vacay all day. Okay. So, it's like super soft. Well, I rolled it into a poop, but I didn't like take it apart because I wanted to. Oh my gosh, this is hot. This is hot. Ow! It's burning my hands. But this is fun. This is actually really fun. I love this. Doesn't really taste well because the two flavors mixed together. Well, you can make slime out of gummy worms, and that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed because my hands are really sticky now. I really just hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I wish that I can like make a lot of videos in a week, but I have school. But this is like Thursday, and I'm on spring break. I probably would make a video tomorrow and upload that on Saturday or Sunday, and I don't have school on Monday because it's Professionals Day. But by the time you're watching this might actually be like Friday, Thursday? No, not Thursday, because it takes a long time for my video to upload. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment down below what I should do in my next video. And if you really want more videos like this, or slime, or like vlogs, or like a room tour, or something like that, where you basically saw like my bed stuff, my bed area. But if you want anything else, please mention that in the comments down below. Bye. Sticky, sticky, sticky.